Hello, and this is right now good afternoon. So, good afternoon, good day, good morning, good night, all the good things to you. Now, today I'm making this video to clear the confusion of that particular question, that is, I'm not able to do multitasking. I am quickly going to give you a brief explanation that what actually is multitasking and whether we actually are capable of doing multitasking or not, and that is the only particular reason for which I'm making the video while driving the car. Although I will never recommend or never advocate that you should make videos while driving the car. Yeah, if the mobile is on some sort of a holder, you can still make a video provided the speed is very much under control, or you have parked the car aside, or you are at the traffic signal. Now, coming back to the point, I'm not going to take a lot of your time. Now, what is the meaning of this multitasking? Now, multitasking means that I am able to do a lot of things simultaneously, right? So that is multitasking. While I was sharing this particular thing to you, my car just went on reserve. Remind me to fill up the tank as well. Alright, so what actually is multitasking, right? Multitasking, as I said, that when we are capable of doing a lot of things at one time. Now we have to understand one part, and that is consciously we are not capable of doing multitasking, but subconsciously we are capable of doing multitasking. Now, to give you a brief example, I'm going to give the live example which you are able to see in the video as well. I am driving this car, but while I'm driving the car, my attention is, I will say, around 90 to 19% of the times on the road itself. I'm only looking for a fraction of a second on the screen, then again my attention is on the road. Now this is the conscious multitasking, right? I can't look simultaneously on the screen as well as on the road. I can't do that. Consciously I am incapable. Everybody on the planet consciously is incapable of performing conscious multitasking. But as I said, I'm driving the car. Now driving is a subconscious skill because I have been driving for almost a decade. Now that experience is deeply enrooted in my subconscious mind, and I am driving on the basis of the skill which is inside my subconscious mind. So as I said, subconsciously we are capable of doing multitasking, but consciously we are incapable of doing multitasking. Why do we feel that we are incapable of doing multitasking? Because whatever activity we are supposed to do at the present time as well, we are incapable of doing that also. We are not able to bring focus onto one small thing which we are supposed to do because we are distracted. Now lately, one of the major reasons why we are being distracted and why we are incapable of doing multitasking, even the small task or the single tasking, let's take it that way, because we are always distracted by the most distracting element in the society right now, which is our mobile device. Now my simple advice to you to improve your multitasking is that when you are doing one particular activity, just do that one particular activity. Do not divert your attention when you are doing that one particular activity. A small example would be when we go to the washroom, when we go to take bath, at that time avoid taking your mobile phone with you, because at that time you are distracting yourself from not doing what you are supposed to do for which you entered the washroom, but you are indulging yourself into watching or doing whatever you want to do on your mobile device. That will make sure to reduce the skills of multitasking. We can only increase the multitasking when we are doing one thing at a time with complete focus and attention. And let me tell you one more thing. You don't need any kind of therapy to improve your multitasking. You don't need any kind of medication to improve your multitasking. You just need one thing, that is to bring your attention on one particular thing which you're supposed to do. That is the only reason why I'm making this video while driving the car. Consciously I am driving the car, subconsciously I'm driving the car. Consciously also I'm making sure that my attention is mostly inserted into the driving portion itself, and very small portion is into making this video. And that is the main reason why I'm not that focused. Again, as I said, I'm not that focused, but I wanted to make you understand that subconsciously only you can do multitasking, consciously you cannot. So don't pressurize yourself, my dear friend. Not only you, everybody on the planet is incapable of doing conscious multitasking. Subconsciously we all are capable of doing multitasking. All of you who drive any car, you ride any motor vehicle, a two-wheeler especially, right? So initially when you were learning how to ride or drive that particular vehicle, you were very much conscious, you were very much alert, you were very much scared, right? Your attention was only towards balancing that particular motorbike or to drive that particular car. But right now, not only you drive the car, not only you ride the bike, you are also able to communicate with others. You are also able to make a video, right? Why we are able to do this? Because this experience is now deeply inserted in the subconscious memory, and the skill is being extracted from that subconscious experience itself. This is the only reason why I'm able to drive and make the video. If I was very new in driving the car, I wouldn't be able to make the video while driving the car. I might have stopped the car aside and then made the video for you. Alright? So just do one thing at a time. Just focus on the completion of that particular activity, and soon you will find that your multitasking skill is improving, and it will definitely improve. That's a guarantee, provided you are doing it on regular basis. One thing which I can't guarantee is how much time will it take. It depends person to person. You might find yourself achieving that particular skill within a month or so. You might find yourself achieving that particular skill after more than a month also. So it depends person to person, my dear friends. So I hope to see you all in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Any other feedback or suggestion you want to share, do let me know in the comment section, please. Till then, take care. Goodbye.